The curly hair is back and I'm in my new studio, which I just love the setup that I've created here. I can't wait to begin filming so many other things here as well. Today we are going to do a bust down install. I'm so excited. I ordered this wig maybe like 2 weeks ago off of AliExpress. It came very quickly, which I'm grateful for, because once I order something, I expect it to be at my door like the next day. So this is the wig. She's so beautiful. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but in real life she has like a dark brown tone to her in the light. I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. I ordered the like natural color, which is I guess a 1B. I also ordered 28 inches, and I know she not know 28 inches, but I did read the reviews and look at the photos that customers had posted, and I noticed that the hair that they ordered versus the hair that they got, there was some inches difference. So I ordered 28 knowing that it would come shorter. It was a roundabout way to get this hair, but this vendor was having a sale, so it was super cheap. This is what the inside looks like. The lace is already tinted a tan color. It's looking very, very ashy on camera. We will have to fix that. It comes with some baby hairs in the front. It comes with a clip in the back. I don't know who ever uses this clip. Like, what is this for? And then it comes with 2 clips on the side, and then it comes with, I'm sorry, I keep saying clips. These are combs. Comes with a comb in the back, and then of course the adjustable strap at the bottom. Now I also picked up some things from my beauty supply store that are gonna help me. I picked up this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond spray. Picked up the black can because YouTube seems to love this one more than the red and yellow, so we're gonna try that. I also picked up the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray in light warm brown. Oh, I also picked up this Edge Fixer 24-hour max hold hair wax stick. Now I didn't do my research on this product, which is rare for me, but oh, it smells really good. I see a lot of girls using something like this. I know that it comes in like a tan package, but I don't know if it's this exact one. This one's Red by Kiss. And then I also got the Ebin Sculpt and Contour Duo Stick in bronze brown, and this is a concealer, and it comes with 2 different colors. And I wanted to pick up something that was wax based specifically because I'm going to be trying to hide the grid. I want this wig to look so natural, like it's growing from my scalp, and I'm gonna try and do everything that I can without bleaching the knots, because I'm like I want to protect the wig. Also, I'm lazy. I also got a rubber band. I just stole that from my mom. Thank you for letting me borrow it, although I'm not gonna give it back. She has a ton of sewing stuff, but I'm sure you can pick that up at Joann's. Now I also have some scissors. I have an edge brush and a blow dryer. This wig did come with a wig cap, so I'll be using the one that they sent. And I think that's everything. I also have my makeup next to me. Oh yeah, also probably gonna need a brush to brush the hair. Now I think that's everything. Shout out to the wig company because they sent me a stocking cap that's actually like a very good match to my skin. This is like a regular one that came with, I forget what it came with, but just look at the difference. So I'm just going to struggle for a bit here to try and get all this hair underneath here. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain.
It's like I'm losing my mind in times.
Okay, now that my hair is all tucked away, I want to see what the wig looks like. I just want to take stock of what I want to change, what's missing from the wig.
It's hard to find.
Okay, first things first, this wig is tight. Oh my goodness, I wonder if it's just like the bulk of my hair, but it's definitely very snug. And I wouldn't even say that my head is big. I would just say that my head is like normal sized. I do have a lot of hair. I'm actually really loving the little built-in crimps and waves. I think it's so cute. You can definitely see it a little bit more when I hold it out like this. I'm hoping that after I wash it, the curls won't go away. I normally wash hair before I install it, but I'm just desperate to wear it with these curls in it, and I am afraid that if I wash it, they will go away. So I want to wear it at least once before I take that risk. Oh my goodness, this is going to need so much plucking. Let me bring you into the hairline. This is what we're working with. So many knots underneath. I really like the hairline, I have to say. It's actually in a square, which I appreciate because a lot of the wigs come with a rounded shape in the front, and my natural hairline is not like that. It's very much square and down. I will have to take some of this out, but I think what I'm gonna focus on next is making the hairline shape my own. Then I can go in and pluck. Okay, wish me luck because I do not have experience in plucking. I think I'm going to use an eyeliner, a white eyeliner, to mark out where my hairline is. Hopefully I can see this.
What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up when I've trusted?
Now, I specifically didn't put any makeup on my forehead because I knew that I wanted it to blend very naturally, regardless of where I'm wearing makeup or not. I feel like it's a little bit easier to blend your wig when you have makeup on, but the true test comes when you're not wearing anything at all. So I'm keeping my forehead natural. This is perfect. This lines up perfectly with this white line. Love to see that. That is like perfectly lined up.
Catch a break up when I've trust to test me. I take it one day at a time, 'cause I was crying yesterday.
This is so perfect. Now that the hairline is customized to fit mine, I'm going to take this off and start plucking.
Look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face. I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good.
Okay, I think she's looking a lot better. I had to put my big girl pants on and pluck a whole lot more because I was so scared of making her bald, but I did the best I could. I'm gonna stop here for now. If I need to pluck more, then I will take it off later and pluck the areas that need to be plucked, but for now, this is what it is.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I put a dress on today. I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you.
Okay, you guys, after yesterday when I was wetting the frontal in order to pluck the hair, I could not resist and had to continue wetting the whole hair because I was so curious to find out if the curls would come back after I washed it. And the curls came out so beautiful. Look how gorgeous she is. I'm so pleased. So now I'm gonna take some of the Ebon Tinted Lace Spray and spray this on here. This method looks the best when you hold it up and spray it because it goes through the lace a little bit and touches a little bit of the roots, which really makes it look like it's bleached.
Don't ask, I ain't coming through, 'cause I'm running away.
Now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry this on cool. This is what the lace is looking like on my skin. I'm still gonna go in with some makeup and then seal it in with some hairspray. Next, I'm gonna take my Ebon concealer and fill in a part right down the middle because that's probably how I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna be using the lighter side.
To my own world, that's where I'll stay. Yeah. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday.
And for this, I'm just using the Got To Be hairspray just because I already know how it works.
Look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song.
Look at how filled in that is. After I used the concealer to rub it on, I took a flat brush, something that looks like this, and just gently patted in any of the extra holes that were left over. And then I sprayed it over with the Freeze Spray. I did about 4 layers and I used the Ebon spray in the 3rd layer. Again, this is what it looks like. Look at how beautiful that part is covered. Okay. Whew, it's looking a little bit messy, but I expected that.
Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Nothing ever stays.
I think I'm gonna have to take a little makeup wipe. These have been saving me all day.
Same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days.
Is it growing out of my scalp or not? Because to me, baby, this is now my hair. Don't ask me about blonde Nikki. She doesn't exist. This is my natural hair. I do realize that this color is a little bit on the red side, so I think I'm going to actually put some of my foundation on top of it, but that's okay because I really just wanted to use this as a layer to close up the gaps in the lace. Okay. Have you found anything yet? Oh, okay. Because like I said, this is my hair. Let me grab a little bit of my foundation. I'm gonna take the darker shade because I don't really like when my scalp is lighter than the rest of my skin. And this needs to be darkened up anyway.
I was crying yesterday, but look at me now, 'cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, now I'm gonna take some of this and spray. part and then blow dry, of course, on cool while I comb through the part so that the hair doesn't get stuck flat. Gonna really clean up the part and then take the mascara and gently fill in the parts where it's not so straight.
I've been out of my head.
Not only does this look good, but I have never done so well while doing a wig before. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, now I'm gonna actually secure the wig. No more games, no more playing around. And I would have added an elastic band, but this wig is actually so tight.
Can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good. Can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find.
Push this up because I don't want any hairs getting in the way of this. Now I'm gonna use the Ebin spray.
Been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good. Can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me.
Okay, I think this looks pretty good, but I definitely want to add some makeup to it to blend it even further with my skin. I love how this looks because it's laying flat. The sides are what I'm having problems with just because they're not laying flat to my head. I think I'll get it better next time, but this is looking so good.
Today, it has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good.
That is it, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I am in love with this hair. Next, I'm gonna straighten this, and that's gonna be a whole other thing. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on this journey because it was a long roller coaster of a ride.